way I am.
What's up, Cocky Gang? I know it's been a minute since I've recorded a video, but it's okay because I'm here. This video wasn't requested or anything like that. It's just something that I randomly decided to do because I have no idea what you guys want to see. So if you have any suggestions or any requests or anything like that, comment below and let me know what you want to see. Let's start off by saying I know nothing about wigs. I really don't know anything about them. I saw this girl on Instagram. Let me find her page. I think I actually saw her picture on Facebook, and I loved her hair. And I was like, I want to do my hair like that. But, of course, I would have to buy a little wigiana. Here's the girl right here. Look at her hair. Bang, right? On her Instagram, she said that she used hair wax paint. So I went on the website, which is topcrave.com. I'll put the link in the description. So I ordered the pink hair wax paint. That's pretty much all it says. Pink. And I also ordered purple. I also have a blue one somewhere around here. So I'm definitely going to get this done. I don't know how I'm going to put it on, but I'm going to do it. So I got this wig. I went in the hair store and I said, I want curly hair. So she showed me a couple different wigs. But mind you, I didn't see any of these on the mannequins. I just picked one based on the packaging. And now that I look at it, it doesn't look like it's going to give me the look that I'm going for. But hopefully I can finesse it some way, somehow, into looking the way that I want it to look. But here's the wig. I'm going to put it on the mannequin head, and we just going to get this thing started. Oh, this might be cute. I might actually really like this. Now, I don't have to worry about a part or anything because it's supposed to just be like a crazy big old wig. So, I mean, that's like a part a little bit in the front, but I'm not really concerned about that. So, this is so bomb. I don't want to put it on myself yet because, like I said, I don't know how to put it on. But I know for a fact that I'm going to have to tease it because I want it to be big. And I'm definitely going to have to trim the back because I don't want it to be long. It's getting hot. So, I want to be able to wear it in the summer without worrying about being hot. I don't really know how this is going to work on synthetic hair. This is a, I think this is a blend, a human synthetic blend though. It doesn't say. Well, it says safe for up to 400 degrees. So I'm just going to go ahead and assume that this is a human and synthetic blend. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so this is what the wax looks like, guys. Pretty simple. So I just put it on 2 fingers, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the strip of hair that I wet. Small, but just to see what it looks like. Just put it on the hair while it's damp and let it dry. And hopefully, she's going to be a bad bitch. See, this is my only fear. I don't want the curls to drop. I want them to stay cute. But I realized that I can always just put like a rod set in it and then it should be fine. Right? I don't really know. I don't really know. So, trial and error. Shout out to IKEA for supporting the LGBTQ community. It's lit.
Once a girl up my eye, I'ma get up.
I couldn't believe that my cousin got on Instagram and found the girl. Like, I'm like, I wish I knew her Instagram. She's like a detective. She went on there and she found it ASAP. That's how I got her page and I found out what she used to color her hair. So, hopefully it's all worth it in the end. Thanks, cuzzo. I don't know how this damn thing gonna stay on, but starting to irk me a little bit. Okay, so wax paint.
Down, yeah, where we gonna go? Only room for two. I'ma make time for you, yeah. Gotta gas you up, my chick looking so fine with the red lips like a cherry on top. Let's escape the night, let's get on the move. Night vision with my looks, only see you. I be the star that lights your heart up. When you look up, I be looking from above. Hold you real tight, the man by your side gonna give you life. When the vision being clear, long nights, he's always gonna be near. Even when you don't hear, even when you don't hear. What she doing, what she doing? Maybe needs space, maybe needs a quick break. I'ma play with the hit, I'ma play with the hit. I'ma be right there, I'ma be right there. Hold me down, where we gonna go? Only room for two, I'ma make time for you. Hold me down, where we gonna go? Only room for two, I'ma make time for you. Hold me down, yeah. Hold me down, yeah. Where we gonna go? Only room for two, I'ma make time for you, yeah. This is for the shotty, stop you strong in every way, in every lane. Working out, day job, college class, working out, homework, and then some more work. Working hard every night, working hard, sunshine. Damn, how you treating your girl?
Alright guys, so she's fully colored. I'm just gonna let her dry and we'll see where we can go from here. Okay guys, so I guess the wig is as dry as it's gonna get because it's been drying for quite some time and it's still not completely dry. I think it's so pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna attempt to put this bad boy on right now. Everything that I'm about to do, I learned at YouTube University. So if it doesn't work out, I guess I just have to find another method. But let's just get to it. So I have the Gotta Be Glue Freeze Blast Spray and Gotta Be Glue Spiking Glue. And that's pretty much it.
Gotta show some love, gotta be there for her. Yeah, I'ma be there, I'ma be there. I'ma hold you down, yeah. I'ma be there, I'ma be there.
But what y'all not gonna do is talk about my scissors because I have smaller scissors, but I have no idea where they are. So, we gotta work with what I got. Don't judge me.
I'ma hold you down, hold me down, where we gonna go? Only room for two, I'ma make time for you. Hold me down, where we gonna go? Only room for two, I'ma make time for. Hold me down, yeah. Hold me down, yeah. Where we gonna go? Only room for two, I'ma make time for you, yeah.
Now what I'm gonna do is just recolor it a little. Hopefully it blends right. Hopefully.
I'ma be there, I'ma hold you down, yeah. I'ma be there, I'ma hold you down.
I don't even know where the part is gonna be. So sometimes you just gotta say fuck it.
Hold you down.
So I'm just using some rubber alcohol to clean up any excess. Did I also mention that I don't know anything about makeup? So, I mean, it's a little lighter, but hopefully that shit won't matter. We got to finesse this because it's looking real crazy right now. Color bang though.
Different faces, like the moon, you be going through phases, changing. A mood swing got 12 different faces, like the phases. Changing. Going through changes. You know you changing. Like the moon. Waxing, waning. Talking to me in a bad mood. Why? Trying to get my name tattooed. Why? You a crazy little Gemini. Out your mind. But you don't remember I did everything when you was down and out though. Now you leaving out the back door. Goodbye. You don't wanna be seen with your 12.
I'ma just put this scarf on, lay this down for a little bit.
Different faces, what do you mean? You remind me of a succubus little Satan. You remind me of someone to stay away from. Passive, aggressive, you like a catfish. I gotta spam you. How you expect me not to weep when I was.
Hello?
Hi, Jitter.
Hi, Mama.
How you doing?
Well, my camera died, but I like it. I cut it, as you can see. I don't really know what it looks like in the back, to be honest with you. Okay guys, well, that brings me to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. As a matter of fact, comment below what you feel like I did right, what I did wrong, what you liked and disliked about this video. You can also give me some tips on how to improve my technique. Also, follow me on Instagram at she_2 cocky with 2 Y's. Follow me on Twitter at she_dopeaf. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
Phases changing. A mood swing got 12 different faces.